Welcome to Al-shifa Pharmacy. Hi. In this video we learn about nature's Bounty Flaxseed Oil 1200 mg 125 rapid release soft gels. Uses and benefits. Direction for use. Ingredients. Warning before uses. So, before starting a video, I am requesting to new viewers to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for new latest video. Thanks for pressing bell icon. So let's start video. Uses and benefits. Supports cardiovascular health *. 540 mg of omega-3. Natural cold pressed. Flaxseed oil is one of the premium sources of the essential fatty acid alpha-linolenic acid, omega-3, and also contains linoleic acid, omega-6. Fatty acids contribute to heart health and help provide an energy source for the body. Flaxseed oil helps provide nutrients for the well-being of the body. Direction for use. Directions for adults: take 1 soft gel 2 to 3 times daily, preferably with meals. Ingredients. Supplement fact serving size 1 softgel servings per container 125. Amount per serving % daily value. Calories 15. Calories from fat 10. Total fat 1 g 2% ***. Polyunsaturated fat.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
1 g. Flaxseed oil 1200 mg, 1.2 g. Which typically contains alpha-linolenic acid, omega-3, 540 mg. Linoleic acid, omega-6, 132 mg. Oleic acid, omega-9, 132 mg. Other fatty acids 60 mg. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Daily value not established. Other ingredients: gelatin, vegetable glycerin, natural caramel color. The flaxseed oil in this product is solvent-free. Non-GMO, no artificial flavor, no artificial sweetener, no preservatives, no sugar, no starch, no milk, no lactose, no soy, no gluten, no wheat, no yeast, no fish. Sodium-free. Warning before uses. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking any medications or have any medical condition, consult your doctor before use. Discontinue use and consult your doctor if any adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Store at room temperature. Do not use if seal under cap is broken or missing. Thanks for watching.